Okay, this time guys, pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo mag-add ng dissimilar fractions. For example, so we have 3/4 plus 2/3. Kung napapansin nyo, sila ay dissimilar fractions. Bakit? Sila ay may magkaibang denominator. So, ang unang gagawin natin, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-add ng ganyan. So, we're going to change dissimilar fractions into similar fractions. So, yun yung first step natin. Change it into similar fractions. Always remember that is similar fractions, ito yung mga fractions na merong magkaparehong denominator. Kaya ang aim natin is to get the same denominators. So, paano natin gagawin yon? So, kukunin lang natin ang LCD ng denominators natin. So, ano ba si LCD? Kung nalilito pa rin si LCD, mag-isip lang ng pinakamaliit na number na pwede mong ma-divide pareho ng 4 tsaka ng 3 exactly. So, ano bang pinakamaliit na number na pwedeng ma-divide ng 4 tsaka ng 3? Tama, 12. So, your LCD is 12. So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin kay LCD? Si LCD ang magiging panibagong denominators. So, ilalagay natin. So, we're able to have our same denominators. Ngayon, the problem is our numerator or the numerators. So, paano natin gagawin yun? Dalawang step lang ang gagawin natin. We're going to divide and then we multiply. So, let's divide the LCD by the old denominator for our first numerator. So, divide the LCD by the denominator 4. 12 divided by 4, that gives us, tama, 3. Then, yung sagot natin, 3, will be multiplied to our numerator. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Tama. Yung sagot natin will become the new numerator. So, we're able to get the numerator for our first fraction. Now, sa pangalawa, ganun pa rin. Divide and multiply. Divide the LCD, which is 12, by the denominator, which is 3. 12 divided by 3, that gives us 4. And then si 4 will be multiplied by our numerator, 2. 4 times 2, that gives us 8. So, si 8 ay magiging, tama, magiging numerator natin. So, this time, we're able to change 3/4 plus 2/3 into 9/12 plus 8/12. So, wag mo na silang aalalahanin. Focus na tayo din sa similar fractions. Since napag-usapan naman na natin ang adding similar fractions, same steps na yung gagamitin natin. So, we're going to add them. Since similar sila, just copy the same denominators, which is 12, and then do the operations in our numerator, 9 plus 8, that is 17. Okay. So, that's how are we going to add dissimilar fractions. We're going to change it from dissimilar to similar and then we're just going to add. Ngayon, since yung sagot natin should always be in lowest term, tingnan mabuti, 17/12 is in improper fractions. Bakit? Kasi malaki yung numerator kaysa kay denominator. So, we have to change it into mixed form. So, paano siya change sa mixed form? So, we're just going to divide 17 by 12. So, laging tatandaan na ang mixed form ay may whole number tsaka may fraction. So, 17 divided by 12, that equals 1. So, may remainder tayo. So, copy the same denominator, 12. So, meron tayong isang 12 kay 17. So, ilan na lang natira if we're going to take away that 1 12? So, 5. So, that would be our remainder. So, 5. So, 1 and 5, 12. 5 12s is already in lowest term. So, our final answer is 1 and 5 12s. So, that's how are we going to add dissimilar fractions. Una, change it into similar fractions. How to change it? By getting the LCD of our denominator. Kasi yung LCD magiging panibagong denominators. Now, paano natin kukunin yung numerators? Just divide and multiply. Divide the LCD by the old denominators and then multiply it to the numerator. The answer will become the new numerator. So, hopefully na may matutunan and you're ready for our next topic.